Greetings, esteemed participants, and a warm welcome to another enlightening chapter in the Treasury of Knowledge at WealthWise Academy. If your heart beats in resonance with the rhythms of prosperity and wisdom, I implore you to embark on this voyage with us by subscribing to our channel and showering this video with the grace of a thumbs up. The power of early investments. The investment choices you make early on in your career could mean the difference between becoming wealthy and retiring early or remaining poor forever. Making careful investments when you're young has the potential to make you incredibly wealthy over the course of your career. Time is on your side, and not taking advantage of those early years is a wasted opportunity. Investing in a career. How are you supposed to know which investments to make when the topic can seem complex and overwhelming? In this video, you'll see where you should invest your money that will provide returns far exceeding what you could earn in the stock market, as well as ways to maximize your retirement savings. Stick around because this video could be all you need to retire extremely wealthy at a young age. Paying down debt. First and foremost, you need to find a means of earning money that will help you reach further investment goals. Investing in a career should be the priority of any individual that hasn't already done so. How are you going to invest in assets if you're earning minimum wage and have nothing left after paying your bills? At minimum, you need to earn enough money to pay your bills and have something left over. Even if it's not a lot, to start investing in a career also means finding something you enjoy, at least enough that you'll be able to put effort in and something that you'd be content doing every working day. Whether this is pursuing a career requiring higher education, starting your own business, or getting a job, think carefully about this choice. Consistent earning over time is what will allow you to reach the next level, and this won't happen if you're skipping around to different jobs, constantly trying new things, and not sticking with one avenue. The importance of paying yourself first. To take the idea of buying a home to another level and drastically increasing your potential returns, consider buying a property that can generate some type of rental income. First-time homeowners also have the ability to become real estate investors by purchasing a duplex or a triplex, for example. The rental income could cover all of the expenses associated with the home, including the mortgage. By utilizing a first-time homebuyer program, only a small down payment is needed. This is an excellent move for anyone willing to take on the responsibility of becoming a landlord because you not only receive a fantastic return on your down payment, but your housing costs will also be covered. Maximizing retirement savings. Perhaps the easiest way to get rich over time is by paying yourself first. This concept is nothing groundbreaking, but it's worth repeating because if you don't do it, you're unlikely to invest at all. Every single week, month, or whenever you get paid, designate a percentage off the top for investing. Do this before paying bills, going shopping, or going out. You could live a better lifestyle, buy nicer clothes, drive a better car, and take more frequent trips. But that money saved will grow to incredible amounts over a couple of decades. Just a little bit of money set aside today could mean hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars by the time you reach retirement age. Investing 10% of your income is a great starting point, and you can increase this percentage as you become better at earning and saving money. Investing wisely. When you invest in a career and pay down debt, you're setting yourself up for success. But now comes the exciting part, investing your money. You need to decide where to invest your hard-earned dollars wisely. You can start with retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, and then consider other options like real estate or individual stocks. A diverse portfolio can offer stability and growth, ensuring that your investments work for you over the long term. Remember, the choices you make today can have a profound impact on your financial future. So, don't let this opportunity pass you by. In conclusion, the road to financial success begins with strategic investments early in your career. Whether it's investing in your career, paying down debt, or maximizing retirement accounts, each step you take is a stride towards securing your financial future. With the right knowledge and a commitment to wise investments, you have the potential to build substantial wealth over time. Thank you for joining us, and remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, may your investments pave the way to a prosperous future.